In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this 32 gigabyte kit of the Lexar Thor DDR5 RAM. So what this is a 6000 MTS RAM set. If you're like me, you know, already I have 32 gigs in my computer right now, and I just wanted to upgrade to a 64. I can go all the way up to a 128 gigabytes inside my computer, but I'm only going to do it at small increments at a time. You know what, to keep it kind of affordable. And this RAM is very affordable, everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you real quick on how I installed it and what it did for my computer here. So the first thing you're going to do is take the side off of your computer. Everybody's might be different, but mine, I just took off the glass panel on the side. And then you can see where there's actually 4 slots of RAM for mine. And what I did, I removed 2. I went ahead and took out my old RAM so that way I could just re-put all of them back in. So I put all 4 of them back in, closed it up. Then what I'm going to do is boot it up. So when you boot it up, you're going to go into the BIOS screen, and that's where you're going to configure RAM. Now this goes all the way up to 6000 MTS, but I'm going to run it at 5200. Make sure you have the XMP enabled, which I do. You can see on the screen here, it is enabled on mine. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead, save and exit and reboot. Now I'm going to go ahead, open it back up. Now I've got it restarted. Now go down and I'm looking at the RAM right now, Control, Alt, Delete, and then what I'm going to do is look at that, bring up the task manager. Now I'm going to go over the RAM to see exactly where I'm at. You can see right here, I'm at 64 gigabytes. It has been installed. I'm running at 5200 MTS, which is okay because that's about what the manufacturer suggests. It can go up to 6000, but I suggest just leaving it where it's at, and it works just fine. This is so much better. It used to run at 40% of RAM usage. Now it's only, as you can see on the screen here, it's only at 15%. So everybody, this is one of the best upgrades I think you can do at a very affordable cost and super easy. You know what? I think if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's how easy this thing is. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Lexar, you know, DDR5 32 bit. See you on the next video.